Learning about the science of climate change and its effects is essential for understanding one of the most pressing global challenges of our time. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you learn about climate change science and its impacts. Start with the basics. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the basic concepts and principles of climate change. Learn about the greenhouse effect, carbon cycle, global warming, and the role of greenhouse gases in trapping heat in the Earth's atmosphere. Understanding these foundational concepts will provide a framework for further exploration. Study the causes. Explore the primary drivers of climate change, including human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, industrial processes, agriculture, and land use changes. Learn about the sources and emissions of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O, and their contributions to global warming. Understand the science. Dive deeper into the scientific principles and processes underlying climate change. Learn about climate models, temperature records, ice core data, satellite observations, and other scientific evidence that support our understanding of past and present climate trends. Explore how scientists study climate change through interdisciplinary research in fields such as atmospheric science, oceanography, geology, and ecology. Explore climate variability. Learn about natural climate variability and how it influences climate patterns and extremes. Study phenomena such as El Niño and La Niña, ocean currents, solar cycles, volcanic eruptions, and natural feedback mechanisms that can affect global and regional climate conditions over different timescales. Examine climate impacts. Investigate the observed and projected impacts of climate change on the environment, ecosystems, and human societies. Explore how climate change is contributing to rising temperatures, changing precipitation patterns, sea level rise, extreme weather events, biodiversity loss, habitat degradation, food and water insecurity, and other environmental and social impacts. Learn from scientific reports. Read reports and assessments from reputable scientific organizations and intergovernmental bodies that summarize the current state of climate science and its implications. Examples include reports from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, the National Climate Assessment, NCA, and scientific journals like Nature and Science. Engage with educational resources. Take advantage of educational resources and materials available online, including websites, videos, podcasts, online courses, and interactive tools that cover climate change science and its effects. Explore platforms like NASA's climate change website, noaaclimate.gov, the IPCC website, and educational initiatives from universities and research institutions. Follow climate news and developments. Stay informed about the latest news, developments, and research findings related to climate change. Follow reputable news sources, scientific journals, blogs, and social media accounts that cover climate science, environmental issues, and sustainability topics. Engage in discussions and debates surrounding climate change with peers, experts, and community members. Participate in climate action. Take action to address climate change at the individual, community, and societal levels. Reduce your carbon footprint by conserving energy, using renewable resources, reducing waste, and advocating for sustainable practices. Support policies and initiatives that promote climate resilience, mitigation, and adaptation efforts locally, nationally, and globally. Engage in dialogue and collaboration. Engage in dialogue, collaboration, and knowledge sharing with others who are interested in climate change science and solutions. Participate in community events, workshops, seminars, and conferences focused on climate change education, outreach, and activism. Join local or online groups, networks, and organizations that work on climate-related issues and initiatives. By following these steps and actively engaging with climate change science and its effects, you can deepen your understanding of this complex and interdisciplinary field and contribute to efforts to address climate change and build a more sustainable future.